Welcome to all our occupational training facilitators and TVET colleges. I want to introduce you to the Renewable Energy Workshop Assistant Skills Program. This skills program is at NQF Level 4 and is approved by the Quality Council for Trades and Occupations, or QCTO. With 24 credits, it provides 240 notional hours of structured learning and practical application. This entry-level program responds directly to the growing demand for skills in South Africa's renewable energy sector. To teach this course successfully, colleges need learning material that cover the full curriculum in a clear and structured way. The AYACO Renewable Energy Workshop Assistant course does exactly that. The material follows the required QCTO structure and outcomes, includes all the practical activities needed for skills development, and provides assessment tools that help lecturers and students track progress. If your campus is applying for accreditation, you can confidently submit the AYACO course as evidence of compliant learning materials. You can also use it even if different materials were submitted during your accreditation process. So, what does this course prepare learners to do? Learners are trained to work as support technicians in the renewable energy sector. They will be able to assist with the installation, maintenance, and assembly of renewable energy systems, both in workshops and on-site. This is a fast-growing field with increasing demand for skilled workers, especially in solar and wind energy. The course includes two components: knowledge and application. The knowledge component builds a foundation in electricity and renewable energy systems, tools and equipment, local energy challenges, legislation, and health and safety practices. The application component gives learners hands-on workshop experience. They learn to select and use tools correctly, complete assembly tasks such as riveting and soldering, and apply safety procedures while working with equipment. To support colleges, the AYACO course includes a learner guide, a workbook, and a facilitator guide. Together, these provide clear content, practical activities, and full assessment support to ensure all outcomes are covered. The AYACO QCTO Renewable Energy Workshop Assistant Skills Program is published by AYACO Learning Solutions and distributed by Macmillan Education South Africa. You can order the AYACO Renewable Energy Workshop Assistant books from Macmillan Education South Africa. For inquiries, please contact Macmillan Customer Services at customerservices@macmillaneducation.co.za, or you can phone us at 011 731 3300. We are looking forward to hearing from you.